On a lot to YouTube with yet another SunFoil project 5th prototype update. As you can see, I've cut out one of the towel rails, as George called them. I haven't yet shaped it, so it's not an aerodynamic thing yet, but it will be. And I have the other one marked out. Sorry about my shade going over it there. Of course, I actually made a cardboard template, and this shows where I'm going to put the mounting bolts, and the mounting bolts go in before the pylons are screwed onto the, well, picture frame wingtip, because they are wingtips. And this also shows where the power cord's going to go out through the pylon. And it's a job for a jigsaw. So it's starting to look almost aerodynamic, if you got a bit of a fevered imaginitis. Anyway, ciao.